Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make and create sports t-shirt design on Canva. All right, let's begin. First, go to canva.com and log into your account. Once logged in, click on Create a Design and search for t-shirt. Select the first option, which will take you to the design page. On the left side, scroll down until you find the sports t-shirt category. Click on See All to view all the available sports t-shirt templates. Choose any template you like to start your design. Once you select a template, you can customize it by editing the text, changing colors, adding graphics, and adjusting any other elements to fit your style. Canva makes it easy to personalize your design without any professional design skills. After finishing your design, you can download it or use it for printing on your sports t-shirts. So that's basically how you can make and create sports t-shirt design on Canva. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.